Welcome to my channel. My name is San, and in this video I am installing the WowAfrican Cherry Layered Yaki Straight Wig. It is a 360 HD glueless wig. I got the 16-inch and 180% density. I got the Lagos hairline and I didn't get the lace pre-cut. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. So I got the wig on my head. I will say this fit very snug, and I got the small size, and I have a really small head. So but nonetheless, I do like the fact that I felt like the wig wasn't going anywhere because it was like tight on my head, but not too tight to the point where it hurt. It was just right. So this is what the hair looks like straight out of the box. That hairline looks so real. I am so impressed. I was just like, wow. But the lace is really thin, so I am just really carefully cutting the excess lace off before I apply any glue on the lace. All right, so once I got all the lace off, or for the most part, I'm just applying this glue. I love this glue. It's probably my favorite one so far. I'm trying to put the glue like on the lace in front of my hairline and not so much on the wig, but some did get on the wig, but it's not a big deal. But my goal is to just like have it around the hairline. So I'm just going to blow dry this on low heat for about 30 seconds. My goal is to just really get it tacky before I apply this this strap here. I only left the strap on for about 5 minutes and then I took it right off. So the lace is melted down, and look at that, it looks so real, so real. So now I'm just cutting off more of the excess lace. So anything that isn't melted on my forehead, I'm just cutting it off. I'm using very small scissors. These scissors are pretty sharp and it like gets really close. And then I'm also using a razor. I like to use the razor because it gives like a jagged hairline. So I don't want the hairline to look so straight because then it looks, you know, unnatural in my opinion, so that's why I like to use the razor. Again, I'm being really careful not to tear the lace. I'm also trying not to shave off my eyebrows or hurt myself either. So I want to be really gentle and careful during this part. Alright, so now that the lace is applied, or the wig is, you know, applied on my head, I'm just cutting the excess lace around my ear and the nape area. So now I'm just applying concealer just to further conceal the lace. Although it is like really thin, I still wanted to apply the concealer. All right, so now I'm all done and this is what it looks like. This hair was really soft. I didn't apply any heat or any product to it, just the glue and the concealer, and this is what it looks like. It looks so real, it looks so natural. I'm so impressed. This is more like a dark cherry color, so it's definitely not auburn, but I still love it. I love the layers that it has in here. I know I've been wearing this wig for a long time, but I love wigs from this company. Their wig construction for me is just like top tier. So the flakiness is from the glue. I think it's because I use the blow dryer to get it to be tacky, and then I apply the wig strap. I normally don't apply my wigs like that. I usually just spray on the glue, let it get tacky, then apply the wig, but I want to try something new, but I'll probably do that never again. Nonetheless, the hair is still cute. The wig is still laid. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll talk to you next time.